Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix if your KineMaster application not opening. When you try to open, it close automatically, not open. So let's get started how to fix this problem. Method 1. Simply press and hold on the app, and then go to App Info. Or you can access the App Info anyway. Here at first force stop the app. And then clear the storage data according to your device system. After that close the settings. If your installed KineMaster is installed from Play Store, then check KineMaster update or not. If update is required then update. But if your installed KineMaster is installed from outside the Play Store, then no need to check in Play Store. After that check your problem solve or not. If not then follow second method. Simply uninstall the KineMaster. And again install. If you are using KineMaster from Play Store then install fresh from Play Store. Or if using from outside the Play Store, then download new from outside and install. After installing your problem will be resolved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.